So what I'm going to do is go ahead and put another piece of cake there. So I'll take some buttercream, pop it on top. Okay, take my next piece and kind of carve out a little bit here like we did on the first one. I want the hat to be a little bit taller, so I'm going to go ahead and put one more piece of cake on top there. I think I'm going to cut this slopes down a little if I want the hat to stand up a little bit in the back. Then I'm going to go with the curve or the slant a little bit more this way. Okay, once you get those on, save these little pieces just in case you have to put a little bit in there. And then we can go back again. Oh, he's funny looking, huh? Okay, so basically some of this we're going to have to cut and move down just a little bit more. So if we want to kind of mark here, his brim needs to be kind of big. Now some of this cake I'm going to need for the top part here. So there's one side. Okay. Let's see if we can use some of this just to fill in the area back here. And we just need one more little piece. Let's see, it's a little higher there, so I want to, there we go. Okay, so we'll just kind of piece this with some buttercream. Obviously, if you make a bigger cake, you can do this all in one piece rather than actually piece it together like this if you don't like piecing it together.